love music? Do you love movies? Test your knowledge on a little bit of both. Our virtual music and movies trivia blast will challenge your team with music trivia spanning the years. And then after intermission, we switch to test your movie knowledge.
So the way this works is you'll have a series of questions, true, false, multiple choice, fill in the blank.
Play as one continuous program or play each act as a standalone challenge with a winner from each session facing off in a bonus round. Your group will experience a full participant, full engagement, interactive virtual game show with state-of-the-art gaming and our engaging and interactive professional hosts. All participants play throughout the game on their Apple or Android device.
All right, Lilith Fair was a festival that focused solely on female artists. It was founded in 1997 by this artist.
With multiple choice, true, false, and fill-in-the-blank trivia questions, the faster participants respond correctly, the more points they earn. And you can pick your group's favorite decade from the 70s, 80s, 90s, or 21st century. Whether each player is a film buff or a music guru, this game offers them the chance to shine. Your group can strike a chord and bring the drama to this fun-filled program.